Reagan and I'm a part of the Westflight 4-H Club, and I'm going to talk to you about my dairy-free carrot apple muffins.
Yeah, and her dairy-free carrot apple muffins caught my eye. I knew from afar that they were carrot because they have carrot on them. And then when I was looking at the recipe card, I was really wanting to talk more about how she made it and kind of how she found this recipe, because it is a healthy recipe with the apples and carrots in it. But tell me more about like the flour you used and kind of where you found this recipe, if it's a favorite, more about it.
Okay, so I used whole wheat flour and canola oil instead of butter and honey for the liquids. And the apples and carrots I have liquid too. So, and then I found this recipe in a recipe book we have up in our cabinet, and I chose it because it's called Foods and Nutrition, so you're supposed to really have something healthier. So I decided to try these.
Yes, exactly, and that's why they caught my eye too, because most of the time for foods judging, it's a lot of high sugar, high fat cakes, and so this one definitely, and I bought these in the bake sale too. So I look for those healthier items there, and the honey is the only sugar in it, no added sugar, brown sugar, and so they smell amazing and they are amazing.
Reagan received a blue ribbon at the Kansas State Fair. We are so proud of her and excited that her carrot apple muffins did so well at fair. I want to encourage you all to get creative with your fair recipes next year and see how you can enhance the nutritional quality to your favorite baked goods while still making them taste and look amazing. Reagan just showed us all that it can be done. If you haven't had a chance to check out the Kansas State Fair and admire all of our 4-H'ers' hard work, we encourage you to go this weekend.